Alright, quick video for you guys. How's it going? Drinking a make stuff. I left you guys the other day with a terrible product. I couldn't do it, so I came out here today and I made another one. And I put some upgrades into it and did what I wanted to do. I don't know if I'm going to ever do any more. I didn't like this project. Maybe I will later. I don't know. I don't know why I wanted to do it. I just had to do it. So, see here? Little like billfold size. So you're ever at a party, keep it in your back pocket, whatever. Maybe I'll put suction cup here so you can put it in your shower. We kind of went a different direction, but these magnets, you can stick it to a locker. Let's say you're working out in the shop, you're at a buddy's house. And it opens up. I have two little wires here holding it up. This comes up, and that's your little beer holder. I don't know how to keep this up yet. I was thinking about making like, you know, something like on a folding table that goes here, but you know, you can put your beer in it, work, take it out, put your beer back, whatever. Folds up, take you over. So I got some lockers here. Goes on there. I haven't put any magnets there yet. Just, I guess it is what it is at this point. I'm just done. I just couldn't leave that project the way it was. And it'll hold your beer wherever you're at, however you want it. Now, since I didn't do it yesterday, we're going to do shop cleanup, hyperlapse, and then we'll just end the video.